lights you can buy online for Diwali. This is the first light I got, and this is shaped in the shape of diyas, perfect for Diwalis. And they are like one small light ring, and then it comes a bigger light ring, which is a beautiful design, gives beautiful design to it. And the lights are really bright, and they have like the normal 2-pin plug to it. Second is this beautiful candle tea lights. I got this from a local market previous year Diwali, but you can easily get this on Amazon or Flipkart. The previous light I got from Flipkart, but you guys can get this from Amazon or Flipkart. I will put the links in the description. If you guys want to buy similar products, I will put the links. You guys can check them out. And they have two batteries, small batteries. Coming to the next light, I have shown this in my previous video. These are beautiful gold wire balls, and in between they have lights. Like, they look so pretty and majestic. And they have like the battery, two-way batteries, I guess. Here I'm showing you guys how is the battery system. Need any plug to light this. So these are convenient, you can place them anywhere and light them up. Coming to these lights, these are one of my favorite. I got this from Flipkart. Yes, I have shown this on one of my previous videos. These are beautiful colored balls, but I think these are more into Christmassy vibes rather than the Diwali vibes. But even if you want to decorate with other lights, with other fairy lights or rice lights, this is going to look very pretty. Also, these are very great for decoration. Any decoration, you can put them in any corner of your house. Comes with a 2-pin. The last one, and definitely one of my favorite, is this star lights. I have seen these hanged on many houses and also on cafes and restaurants, but these are very pretty, and they are not as bright as the diya lights, but they are very like very innovative. So here comes how I'm showing you guys how it's very innovative. So here is the plug, and you see this switch. Once you switch this off, the lights turns off. So this comes with the USB. You have to plug it with the adapter. The great fact about it is it comes with a remote, and when we put the remote in front of the USB, then it works. Like, they have different modes, 1 to 9. I'm showing you guys how 1 to 9 works. And there's a option of switching off with the remote, and also it can switch on with the remote. And there's a method of dim. You can also dim the lights and also make them more bright. If you switch on the USB itself, it's gonna randomly like play the modes by one from 1 to 9. But if you are going to use the remote, they are gonna stick to the number you are switching on. Like, if you press 9, and it's gonna only stay on the mode 9, the mode which is selected for 9. And if you are gonna place 1, it's gonna stay in the mode 1. But if you use the USB, it's gonna play all the modes randomly. So yeah, that's it. Also, I will put all the links in the description, so if you guys are interested to buy, do check the description out.